Hi guys, I'm here with a quick unboxing, assembly and review of this very interesting hand soap dispenser. The great features here are that it has a large 12-ounce container for the liquid, has a high capacity rechargeable battery. By the way, we can charge it easily with the USB-C cables. It can be used for a lot of different liquids like dish soap, normal hand soap, shower gel, shampoo, even more. So it can easily work in the kitchen, bathroom, restaurant, hotel. So what we have to know, this is not the foaming option, this is the gel option. So it doesn't produce a foam, but the big advantage is that we can use a lot of different gels. Of course, like most soap dispensers, it comes also with an automatic sensor, and what's absolutely awesome is that we have 4 different sizes, how much we get every time, so we can adjust it from very low up to very high amounts of liquid gels. And so this is how we get it. It includes a standard USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and so here we have this beautiful device. Watch how beautiful this is also from the top, and underneath we have a solid stand, but we get also this wall mount, and actually even 2 of them, and the mounts come with an easy sticker in the back, so you can just remove the protection, then stick it to a wall and then slide it in easily from the top. But of course you don't have to use it on a wall, you can just put it on a desk easily. It's very easy to open and fill. Watch this thing, really easy to use. So just fill it up here with some liquid and then put it back, close it. Of course, at the beginning, full charge is highly recommended. What I really like here is this design that we don't have to deal with batteries. I've seen so many of these devices failing just because of normal disposable batteries. Usually they are just here inside, they make contact with water, with the dish soap, and then they fail, or the whole electronics here is failing. So this cannot happen here because everything is nicely enclosed. And so after full charge we can low press here on top. You can see it turns on, and so when we touch again we can change the size. You can see there's 1, and here you are on level 2, level 3, level 4, so we can cycle through all the settings, and when we have the right size and we have the liquid inside fully charged, we can just use it like that, hold our hand here, and we get the exact amount of gel which we need. And so I've been using that now for a couple of days, and it has been working absolutely awesome, super reliable. The whole family likes it. It's a huge upgrade, and it's even super stylish, very reliable. So full recommendation from my side, so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.